Are you tired of that annoying cough? You need to watch this. Hi health enthusiasts, whether it's a cough with phlegm or a dry cough, I've got you covered. First up, Acupoints. For a phlegmy cough, try pressing the lung 1 point, located just below the collarbone. For a dry cough, tap on the kidney 27 point, just below the collarbones near the breastbone. Easy, right? Now let's talk herbal teas. For a cough with phlegm, ginger tea is your best friend. Just slice some fresh ginger, steep in hot water, and enjoy. For a dry cough, go for honey and licorice root tea. It's soothing and helps keep your throat moist. Remember, consistency is key. Press those Acupoints daily and sip on those teas. Say goodbye to that cough. Stay healthy, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips.